Today I'm going to be making some honey syrup. Honey is excellent to use in cocktails because it's full of flavor, but it's kind of hard to work with on its own because it's really thick. So the best workaround is going to be to dilute that a little bit. So I'm going to do equal parts honey, equal parts hot water. I'm going to put it on the stove for a few minutes, kind of let the honey dilute. I'm going to cool it down, and then I'm going to use it as needed. So let me go ahead and get into it. Got about 4 cups of honey there. This shit is sticky. So then I'm gonna go ahead and get 4 cups of hot water. Two and two is, you know the answer, 4. Alright. Now I got a little pot here. Not that kind of pot. And a spatula. I'm just gonna try to melt this down a little bit. And always make a mess. Alright. Now even though that water was hot, it's still really thick. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the stove for a few minutes and let it continue to dilute the honey. Alright, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes. My honey is on the stove here, and I've spilled this shit here enough times to know that I'm gonna do this over the sink, but I'll be back. Whoa, whoa! Just kidding. Now it's really hot right now, so I will let it cool down, and then I will put it in the refrigerator, and it is ready to go for a number of cocktails. I use it in things like bee's knees cocktails, as well as a couple other whiskey cocktails. I can't think of the names off the top of my head at the moment because I'm nervous, like always. But yeah, honey syrup. Equal parts honey, hot water, put it on the stove, let it dilute, let it cool down, throw it in the refrigerator, and it's ready to go, just like me.